Manifesto of Honourable Emmanuel Anya for President General, Ndigbo Community, River State. Theme: Unity, Progress, and Inclusive Leadership for all Ndigbo in River State. Slogan: One Igbo, One Voice, One Future. Vision: to raise a united and progressive Igbo family in River State, where every son and daughter of Igbo land has a voice, a place, and a future. A community strong in unity, rich in culture, empowered for greatness, and living in peace with our host communities. Mission: to mobilize, empower, and protect our people across the 23 LGAs of River State by building systems that guarantee unity, safety, economic growth, cultural pride, and inclusive participation for all Igbos. Core values: unity and inclusion. Every Igbo counts. Integrity and transparency. Leadership you can trust. Respect for tradition. Honoring our elders, royal fathers, and heritage. Youth and women empowerment. Raising leaders, shaping futures. Peaceful coexistence. Building bridges with our host communities. Safety and progress. Protecting and prospering our people. Key plans and initiatives: strengthening traditional institutions. Protect and promote the Eze Buruburu's Stool and the Council of Elders. Build a unified platform for our royal fathers to guide the community. Document and register all traditional rulers for respect and posterity. Full inclusion across 23 LGAs. Create Igbo local government councils for grassroots participation. Build a digital database hub capturing names, skills, businesses, and groups. Use this data to drive empowerment, jobs, and access to funding. Empowerment for youth, students, and women. Launch a Youth Leadership and Skills Academy. Provide scholarships, digital skills, and entrepreneurship programs. Empower women through cooperatives, leadership platforms, and training. Run community skill acquisition programs across LGAs. Protecting traders and growing businesses. Establish a trader and market liaison office for protection and mediation. Safeguard our businesses against harassment and exploitation. Train traders in financial literacy and cooperative savings. Invest in community-driven businesses, transport, ICT, agriculture, real estate, oil and gas services. Emergency response and welfare. Launch first aid and emergency response teams across every LGA. Provide free legal aid, health support, and security volunteers. Set up a central call center linked to all 23 LGAs for 24/7 emergency support. Unity, reconciliation, and host community relations. Establish a unity and reconciliation committee to heal past divisions. Host annual Igbo Unity Summits and cultural festivals. Celebrate Igbo achievers in academics, business, and leadership. Strengthen ties with host communities through dialogue councils, joint projects, and cultural exchanges. Leadership style: inclusive, every voice will be heard. Proactive, solutions for today and tomorrow. Collaborative, leaders, elders, youth, women, and traders shaping one future. Servant leadership, leading with humility, guided by God. Closing declaration. I, Emmanuel Anya, stand before you not just as a candidate, but as a servant of God and humanity. From my youth, I have given myself to leadership, service, and building people. Now, I present myself to serve you, to serve Ndigbo. Together, we will unite people across all 23 LGAs, empower our youths and women and families, protect our traders, students, and professionals, establish a safety net and emergency response for our people, celebrate our culture and heritage with pride, build peace and harmony with our host communities. This is not just a manifesto, it is a movement to give every Igbo son and daughter in Rivers State a future they can be proud of. Unity is our strength, progress is our goal. Together we rise. One Igbo, one voice, one future. Honourable Emmanuel, Anya.